Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. So it's now Monday afternoon, just after lunch, and I'm all sticky and sweaty because it's so hot and warm. Not nice at all. But the postman or post lady has been, and she's delivered my new prototype stencils. So these are for August. So these are the three new designs for August. We've got houndstooth, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I've got a bit of dark card that I can show you. Ooh, excuse me a little. That's better. Right, so we've got houndstooth, which is a really nice kind of masculine, nice texture, masculine texture for backgrounds. We have the Moorish quatrefoil, which is a design which you've seen or can see all over kind of North Africa and the Middle East. Very Moorish, definitely Moorish. And the one that I've called Floristrella, which is Spanish for starflower, which I think you can understand why. So those are the three stencils for August. I'm putting them on the website for pre-order. Or we'll be putting them on the website for pre-order, but by the time you see this, they will definitely be on there for pre-order. So they're for August. Now there's going to be the three for August, mainly because those are the three designs that I will be taking onto TV again for Indigo Blue. So Indigo Blue are producing those for me, or for us, if you like, and they're also to go with these two new, what we're calling journal words. Two new stamp sets, red rubber stamps, cling mounted, and there'll be those two stamp sets that will be going on the 5th, Monday the 5th of August. They'll be released on the TV. I'll be demonstrating these on the TV. Not sure when yet. I know it'll be on the 5th of August, but I don't know when during the day. I haven't got the two. I've got two 1 hour slots throughout the day, so I'm not sure when they are just yet. I'll let you know a bit later on. Yeah, so these are the ones that I created using my own handwriting, and this is the font that I created, or had to create, so that it was consistent, you know, all the S's were the same and all that kind of thing. So 3 stencils, 2 stamp sets, A6 or A2 in American size, so nice. And the words, obviously they've got the little block that's cut, so you can actually just do half of it to fit. They all fit within that journal block, that little border piece, and there's one on each set, so happy about that. It's Tuesday, 23rd of July. I can't believe the month is nearly over. It's just flown past so quickly. I'm on the road already. It's 9:30, just coming up to 9:30, and the temperature today has almost reached 80. It's not even 9:30. We're going to have an absolute scorcher today, and true to form, one of the hottest days of the year that's supposed to be, and I'm in the car doing a road trip. I'm on my way down to see Kay and Alfie at Indigo Blue. Don't particularly want to be stuck in the car on a day like this. So it's now 9:40 and I'm about 5 miles away from Indigo Blue. See, when I used to live in Leeds and I used to come down to visit Cain Alfie, it used to take me about an hour and a quarter, and I kind of forgot to factor in the fact that I'm now a lot closer, so I kind of gave it a similar sort of time. I'm going to be very early. So we've just done the most epic shopping trip. Mum's just taking the trolley back. It's red hot. Blisteringly so.
I give him a ball, I throw it and he looks at me as if to say, you throw it, you
go get it. Come on then, let's have a look at you. Yeah, you're not bothered, are you? Not at all.
Laid back.
I thought we were going to get him to spring into action a minute ago.
Yeah.
I think that was
Ready, Dex?
Yeah.
You ready?
it, wasn't it?
Nope, not moving. Spot the Mr. Bentley. Hiding in the clover. Come on. Nelly.
Come on now.
See you later. Go on then.
Come on, Bentley.
I'll see you later.
Come on.
Come on now.
Come on. Time to go. Come on, Nelly. See you later then. Bye bye.
It's a dog and it's been trimmed and they put it in with a load of toys, you can find it.
So this doesn't happen very often. This tiny little, well, I think it might be a moth actually rather than a butterfly. It's just landed on me. There we go.
it's off.
I think he's recovered now.
I think he might have.
So it's now just gone 1:30 on Thursday afternoon, and as you've just seen, apart from little butterfly visitors, it's absolutely roasting hot. The temperature has just topped 92 Fahrenheit,
And what time is it going to be at 3 o'clock?
and around about 3 o'clock they're forecasting it's going to reach around about 96.
And that's
So-
cool up here.
Yeah, and that's cooler because down south, further south towards London, it's going to be even hotter. So, but we're keeping very well hydrated. I've just had some lunch. I've been busy working all morning on a top secret project for somebody else. I'm not allowed to say just yet. I'm building a website for somebody. So I've been sat in my office all morning, hence the shorts. And it's not exactly cool up there, even with all the windows and the fan going and all the rest of it. So I think I'm going to call it a day actually, and see about maybe trying to do some kind of art this afternoon, but we'll see. Like I said, it's extremely hot, so I don't really want to be sitting under the lights.
You stole me lolly. It's got chocolate bits in it, you shouldn't really have chocolate.
What do they
Cool it down a little bit, won't it?
Yes.
I mistakenly thought Iceland would be cold in there, it's red hot.
I can imagine.
All the freezers.
This is an ice cream lolly. Just for people who are interested in what Bentley's actually eating.
It's a watermelon flavoured ice with chocolate bits in it.
But there's
Apple.
the bits of chocolate, no, won't do them any
No, they weren't. It was only tiny little fragments.
Oh, he's enjoying that. So it's just gone 8 AM on Friday morning. Not quite sure what date it is today. 27th, 26th, something like that anyway. Yeah, we've come out early before it gets way too hot to come out at all. Last night we had to wait until about 10 PM before being able to take Bentley out because it was still too hot. Even though the sun had gone down, or just as the sun went down, it was still really hot and really muggy. So I'm going to be careful, you know, not to take him out when it's too warm, because A, he can burn his paws on the pavements when they're so hot, and yesterday was the hottest day since records began, apparently, in the UK anyway. And of course, you know, just the ambient temperature and stuff, anything above, kind of like sustained above 40 degrees, and dogs tend to suffer like renal failure and things like that, which we don't want. So yeah, so we took him out late last night. So this morning, I thought I'd bring him out before it gets too warm. So Ian's gone off to Whitby today, so it's just us. So it's going to be a bit of a quiet day. So it's now 3 o'clock. I'm afraid it's not got any brighter than that all day. So I've been working on the computer all day. So I thought, seeing as Mr. Bentley asked to go out at 3, I'd bring him out. We don't have to wait until the sun's gone in because there isn't any today. It's still warm. It's still a bit muggy, but not quite as hot as it was yesterday. So somebody's actually a lot happier today because it's actually just the right temperature for running and playing. So, like I said, Ian's not going to be home until later tonight. I think he's planning on leaving Whitby around about 6, which means he won't be home in Barnsley till at least 8:30, 9 o'clock tonight. So he says he'll pick something up to eat on his way home, and I'm not to cook for him. So even though I've got plenty in. So that's been our day. I think somebody's getting a little bit tired now. Not quite so much enthusiasm for the bringing back, is there? So I'm surprised there's none of his friends out today, actually. Usually at this time, the park is absolutely teeming with his doggy friends. But there's not a sausage dog anywhere. All alone. Come on! Oh, I don't believe he's stopped miles away. Look at that. He's given up. Oh, I have to walk all the way over there now. Yeah, hardly anybody. Well, there's nobody in the park at all, look. Completely. Those clouds don't look all that bright, do they? I think we may be having a little bit of rain. Eh? What do you think? Do you think it's going to start raining? Not bothered at all, are you? So it's Saturday and the heat wave has come to an abrupt and very wet end. It's absolutely chucking it down with rain. We've had thunder, we've had lightning. So obviously I've not been able to take Mr. Bentley out into the park on his normal walk. So we've just kind of like done quick trips around the block, just on the streets, just in between kind of like the short bursts of thunder and lightning and rain downpours that we've had. So it's kind of been just grabbing your opportunity and getting out there. I don't anticipate being able to do much at all today, so probably what I'm going to do is sit in the craft room and probably decorate the covers to the small travel journal, the bag, the no-sew bag journal that I did yesterday. So that's probably what the plan for today is going to be. So by the time you see this, you've probably already seen the covers that I've created. So were they any good? Did you like them? Because I don't know what I've done yet. It's Sunday morning and the rain has stopped sufficiently, come on, for us to go out for a walk. It's kind of rained heavily, a bit windy since, well, all day yesterday, all day today. We did manage to get out for a few minutes yesterday, but not down to the park because it's just too wet. He's got his coat on today, so you can tell the difference in the days. So I don't know whether that's the end of the heat wave or this is just kind of a little bit of a breathing session between, but still muggy but not quite as hot. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you these videos would not be possible. Thank you.